finally doing the video. I am finally doing the video. Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is TrenijahG, and I have something very special for you. I am not gonna make y'all wait. I'm just gonna unpack it. And mind you, this is my first time seeing it, like face to face. I did open the box as far as the sake of opening the box. I haven't went in it yet. My daughter is here. She's here. She's here. Okay. Woo! I'm excited. Okay. All right. So, like you know for the title, and I'll talk more about it, I ordered it with shipping, which is a company that I found through Cassie Thorpe, who is a very, very sensational woman here on YouTube that does luxury fashion. When are we going to rehab? Never. So they got the invoice right here, and then we have the tissue paper. And it is wrapped in this bubble wrap. Okay, whew. Let's just toss this right here. I did see it. I know this is so out of order, but I can't wait. Oh, my stomach almost dropped. So you can see I'm holding it. Okay. So this says Tracy. I'm guessing that's where the original owner had it from, but it's like a little bag. Y'all. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, okay. Oh, look at her. Look at her. Oh my god. This is amazing. So I can't. This, oh my god. This is her. I'm holding her, and this is her. I'm gonna finish unwrapping it. So this has been on my mood board in my wish list archive since I've seen it on the nanny. Friend brought her purse to set, and they just started filming with it, and it's just been all down here from there. When I first saw, when people was listening, it was like 600, 700, then Rihanna wore it in all the colors, and baby, it jumped up to about 1,300. The cheapest one, $7.99, and that was on a boutique kind of like vintage shop in New York. And I was about to get that one, and I kept checking in. It was still on there. It was red, I think, and then a black one, and then later on they came out with like a navy blue one and a brown again. Oh, I just can't believe I have it. I can't believe I have it. So I kept checking it that night, and it had to be like at 3 o'clock when I finally had went to sleep that somebody bought it, because when I went back on there, it wasn't on there anymore. And I just kept looking, and I finally found it on this app called Carousel. So I ended up messaging the person, and they gave me the WhatsApp, and I was kind of like, oh crap, I'm getting like, they're gonna get my money, because I'm still gonna try to see if it's real or not. But we kept messaging, and I kept asking to send like different pictures and videos, because I was like, nobody makes a dupe of this. But that's not like saying that they're not starting to, because it's really popular and it's vintage. So it's not like you can get it from Gucci right now. So it took weeks and weeks of basically just going back and forth with the seller, making sure that we was set on the price, that we know who we're shipping to. And then she kind of got scared because she never shipped to the US. Carousel is in Singapore, and it had different other locations, but that was the main one. And I was like, oh, I'm in America. And she was like, oh crap, because she never shipped over here. And it took a minute to get to figure out how it was going to come over here. And then I saw a video of Cassie, and she was talking about shipping. So shipping allows you to either buy something and ship it to somebody's address that's closer, and they ship it to you if they don't allow your location shipping, excuse me. And it just so happened that right when she was going to ship it regular, she was trying to go through a friend because, like I said, she haven't shipped to US before. And I was like, just for security of my mind and also hers, that I know exactly when it's coming, we're going to do it this way. I had never used shipment before, and so we did it that way. I eventually ended up giving her the money through PayPal, which was scary because I did it to the regular seller, and it was like, no, don't do it that way because it's going to take weeks, and we want to ship it out right now. And I was like, okay. And I was oh, that was scary. That was really scary. And she was like, okay, I got it. I'm gonna go ahead and ship it. It lets you know exactly when it's shipped to that person that you're using the address. You have complete contact with that person. I introduced myself. I was like, hey, she's gonna ship it during here. It's fine. She ended up getting the box, and I told her that hey, can you take a picture of it to make sure that it is what it is? And she was like, hey, sure. I got the pictures, and I was like, oh, great. That's great. And then it gives you an estimated price of how much the shipping is gonna be. Mine was $79 for the estimate. It turned out to be $225. So I told the shipper, I was like, hey, I'm gonna need a minute because this is also during the week before Christmas. And as soon as I was able to, pay for that, I let her know, and she was like, okay, I'll let you know when I ship it. And she did. So it was very cut and dry. Here's this, is this, is this. And a few days later, I got it. I have my girl. It has been sitting in the box for a couple days because I was a little bit scared. I'm not gonna lie. I'm absolutely not gonna lie. But I'm so we have to reshape her. We do have to reshape her. I'm not gonna lie. It to me in the picture it looks a little bigger, but then again, me looking at the camera right now, it looks exactly the same. I'll tell y'all, I have this on my mood board right now. I have it on my Pinterest. I had several of them saved. I took a picture while I was watching The Nanny, and I finally have it. My girl is here. My baby is here. The price for this was $183. And that's because she wanted to send me, she wanted me to send her a little bit more because PayPal takes, a little bit off. And the shipping was $225. That's still cheaper if I would have got it from that boutique in New York. Also, it didn't really run my pockets dry because I paid for the payment separately. So it felt, girl math, it felt like I got a, an extra discount on top of the extra discount. Oh my God. It is she sent me some stuff of this part right here is kind of in the corner, but you can barely see it. You can barely see it. Even when I do my fingers like that. And this is the inside of it. I'm gonna show y'all. It's just all red, and then of course you have the Gucci Marmot. Oh, you can't see it because of the light, but it's in there. And then of course you have the Gucci on the side right here. I don't know if y'all can tell or not, but y'all, I have her have her. Oh, I have to get my wardrobe together because she will be the centerpiece. She will be the centerpiece. Oh my gosh. If y'all have any recommendations how to like reshape this, let me know so I can get my girl back together. The velvet, oh my god, it just makes the color of it so sexy and seductive, but yet classic and elegant. I love it. I love it. And I'm really not too mad about the hardware being silver because I am a gold girly. But I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it. And it look, oh. Yo, this is perfect. This is perfect. I can literally sit here for 20 hours talking about how I'm so glad about this, but I'm gonna let y'all go. This, I feels like takes the cake of 2024. Oh, y'all have no idea how long I've been waiting for this. No idea. You will be seeing her. You will be sick of her. She will be sick of me. I just love it. Oh, look at that little charm. It has the GG on it for like the zipper that's inside. I don't think y'all can see it, and y'all can see it going back and forth. My baby. Her, the Versace heels. I don't know how I'm gonna style them, but they will be styled together. Oh my gosh, I'm done. I feel like even this is a Christmas and a birthday gift to me. How am I gonna top this? I have no idea how I'm gonna top this. If I can get them Gucci gloves, because I've been waiting on those for a minute too. But even like the Gucci gloves compared to this, because you can get the Gucci gloves, but I don't think they're sold in the US. So you're gonna have to get the Gucci gloves and I can use shipping again. Ooh, yes. As far as using shipping as a company, absolutely love it. We'll definitely use it again. I was terrified because I mean, even the person that was shipping could have been like, oh no, it didn't come, or could have swapped it out with something else, and I just would have been crap out of luck. But it didn't, and shout out to you, girl. Shout out to you. I'm just so happy. I am extremely happy. Like, can you tell by my face? Can you tell? I'm extremely happy. Shout out to the seller on Carousel for trusting me and me trusting you, because you know I didn't. Because it's red. Ooh, that's ugly. I'm getting old. But Valentine's is coming up too. Ooh, yes. So I do recommend shipping. It's a great thing. Like, I had no complaints as far as like talking to the person that I was in contact with, her being very like vocal, or like, you know, easy to reach and everything like that, and being patient because girl. And then just like getting it here, and you have the option to do FedEx and you have the option to do DHL. Anytime I have the option to do DHL, I'm gonna pick that option. It comes faster and they most likely won't lose your stuff, because I'm having a problem with that right now, and I don't want to do it. It's too adulty for me, but I got to. But that's it for this video. I have her, and I'm so excited. I have her. This is for this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and comment down below how you think I should style this, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, my loves. Mwah. Better way.